Welcome to another Simple Dad WhatsApp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create your WhatsApp avatar. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So WhatsApp have just released a new version and now you can build your very own digital version of yourself called avatars. So let me show you how to build an avatar on WhatsApp. So before we begin, let's update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp and update it if you have one. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now WhatsApp will open up. Here you want to tap on Settings at the bottom right. On the settings page, you're finding Avatar, which is the first option here. Go ahead and tap on that. And now this is the page where you're creating your avatar. So go ahead and tap on Create Your Avatar. Now have a read on the screen. As you can personalize your avatar appearance, you can share how you feel with avatar stickers, and you can set your avatar as a profile photo. So let's go ahead and tap on Get Started to go ahead with it. Now you want to select your skin tone first, then tap on Next. Here you want to select your hairstyle, then you can select your hair color. Next you can select your outfit. Next you can select your body type. Then you can select your eye shape, eye color, eye makeup, then your eyebrows, your nose features, your mouth features, then your face shape, your facial hair, any accessories you have in your face, your eyeglasses, and lastly, you can add hats to your avatar. Now you can use this mirror here to make sure you look like your avatar, so you can compare it with yourself with the avatar. Now once you're happy with it, go ahead and tap on Done, then tap on Save Changes. And now your avatar is being updated. Go ahead and tap on Next. And there you go, that is your avatar for your WhatsApp application. So to use your avatar in the chat window, you want to open up your chat window here, then tap on sticker icon here. Then you want to tap on this avatar icon here at the bottom. And these are all your avatars doing different expressions. So you can go ahead and tap on it and that will send off the avatar to the other person. So that is how to create your WhatsApp avatar on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.